What up guys, it's your boy Ali, and to be honest, these past few weeks have been nothing but complete boredom to me. And I just remembered that just before the MCO, just before the lockdown, I managed to cop myself a pair of the brand new Yeezy 350 V2s. And I thought, why don't I just make an unboxing video? So without further ado, let's do this.
Lately inspired.
Fight.
So as you can see, you get the regular Yeezy 350 V2's cardboard bus with the 350 wording on top, the Boost wording on the side, and also the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and also the Adidas Q4 logo on the back and also on the in front. But except on the in front, you get the label tag that says Yeezy Boost 350 V2s with my size. So I'm a size 8.5 UK. And the colorway is Desert Sage, Desert Sage, Desert Sage. Now, for the moment y'all been waiting for, let's unbox this. Man, now this is the hardness. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Desert Sage colorway. So for those who didn't know yet, the Desert Sage colorway was released on the 14th of March of this year, 2020. So because it was released during the crazy pandemic just begun, so Adidas decided to only release it through their online website and also the other sneaker website. So it's been a hard cut for me, but I think personally it's worth it. I know you guys want to see how this shoe is on foot, so without wasting any time, let's put this shoe on foot and let's see how it is. Alright, for the upper of the shoe, you get this very light, almost minty green prime knit. So the prime knit on the Yeezy are not as soft as the prime knit on the other Adidas shoes. I don't know why, but I think it's great. And as you can see, the upper no longer has exposed stitching like the other Yeezy 350 V2s. And in my opinion, it looks very clean. And of course, the prime knit pattern on the upper is exactly the same as all the other 350 V2s since the statics. But the difference is this time it only has one shade of green. On the center of the lateral side, it has this metallic silver lining Yeezy stripes. At normal light, it blends in with the green on the upper. But when you hit the shoe with a flash, you will realize that the stripes is actually made of 3M. And it reflects the light very well. And for me personally, I love these 3M stripes better than the translucent stripes that usually on the other 350 V2s. Well, I think it is a unique look and it pops so much more. Moving to the center of the shoe, you got these green rope laces that matches the upper of the shoe. Around the top of the ankle area, you got this bright neon orange color. So this detail is by far the most vibrant detail on the shoe. And I think it gives the shoe a very unique look. Well, I know, this detail is not for everyone. Well, some didn't like the bright neon orange color, some didn't like orange color, and some didn't prefer the combined color of the orange and the green on the upper. But for me, I didn't mind it at all. I think the detail on the sock liner is just enough to make the shoe pops, but it is not too much. For the insole, you got the same neon bright orange color just like the sock liner, and it has the Adidas and Yeezy branding painted on the heel area. Next, moving to the heel of the upper, you'll notice that there's no pull tab like the previous V2. But instead, we got a 3M that wraps around to the middle side of the shoe, and it stops at the end of the heel. And moving down to the sneaker, we got the semi-translucent ribbed rubber midsole that comes with some sort of the light green just like the upper. And of course, underneath this rubber panel, you get the full-length boost midsole that I think, like for real, it feels so great on the foot. And to be honest, this Yeezy is one of the most comfortable shoes that I've ever wear. Like, it is because the full-length boost midsole with the prime knit upper. And at the back of the shoe, just like any other 350 V2s, you get the outsole that wraps around the midsole, and this time around, you get some sort of light gum rubber outsole. So that is all for today. I would love to hear your thoughts on the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Desert Sage colorway. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.